Let me tell you something I learned the hard way. Selling cheap doesn't always mean selling more. This is based on my real experience, not theory. A while back, I used to sell replacement decals for Trackmaster models. I wasn't selling just one decal set. I was selling a full sheet with 7 decal sets for $5. To me, that sounded like an amazing deal. More decals, low price, good value. But the decals weren't appreciated, and the interest was very low. Not many people bought them, and eventually I stopped selling Trackmaster decals completely. About 2 years later, I noticed another eBay seller selling just one decal set for $7 to $10, and people were buying it. That's when I realized something important. People don't always want more for cheaper. Sometimes they prefer less. A higher price makes the product feel more valuable, more professional, more trustworthy. So I decided to test this myself. I listed a Trackmaster toy at what I thought was an affordable price. It sat in my storage bin for 2 full weeks, no sale. Then I doubled the price, and that same Trackmaster toy sold in less than 24 hours. That experiment confirmed it for me. In niche markets like Trackmaster, cheap doesn't always attract buyers. Higher prices can signal quality and value. Fewer items at the higher price can outperform bulk cheap sales. I am not saying everyone should overprice things, and I am not saying cheap never works. But from my experience, selling fewer items at a higher price worked better than selling more items cheap. That's just how this market works. Sometimes the problem isn't the product, it's the price.